predominantly. You make me weak, make me thirsty for release. One come compliment me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Fiers Femme, and today I'm gonna be trying to do some Bantu knots on my locks. I wanted to do like a whole look, meaning I'm gonna pull the green from my shirt and do a little eye look. But for right now, in part one, we are going to be doing a Bantu knot style on my hair. I did try putting a rinse in my hair. I think it was like 2 weeks ago. Black rinse, Adore black rinse, jet black. It took, but you know, I wet my hair every day, so of course it came out. And yeah, right now I'm 7 months and some days. I think we're like in the 3rd week, so I'm almost on my 8th month. It goes really fast. So I'm just gonna give you a little close up. Like, a lot of them are still budding. The ends are really thin now because they're catching up. Down here in the smaller ones, they were taking a while, but now I noticed that they're budding. Like, all my locks are doing their own thing, and I'm fine with that. I have a lot of new growth. My hair grows pretty fast. Yeah, so that's gonna be the style we're doing today. But before we get into that, I want to make sure I do my baby hairs and everything. So if you've never been to my channel before, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you have, I would like you to just give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't been here before, subscribe, like, share, you know, become part of the gang. I'm real smooth and subtle with it. I post on Mondays and Fridays mostly. So yeah, but turn on those notifications so that you could know when I do drop a video. It will alert you, okay? Let's get into it. For this hairstyle, I'm gonna be using rubber bands, and I got me some clips in case I need them, like this type of clips, because I don't have any hairpins. So I'm just using what I have. And I'm gonna wet my hair down with my rose water mixture. Make my locks up. Okay, so now I'm gonna separate them. I think I'm gonna separate everything, and then I'll fix them the proper way. I think I want to do this one. This one twice. Okay guys, so that was like an easy style to do, like Bantu Knots, and I left this one down just because I don't know, but I could always pull it up in here. Let me see. I think I'm gonna pull it up. Easy. So that's my little Bantu knots on my locks. And this is a quick and easy hairstyle that anybody can do. Okay, so this is my Bantu. It's my Bantu knots. That's how they came out. I'm gonna show you the back. And yeah, so if you like this hairstyle or you try this hairstyle, tag me on my IG so I can see all your Bantu knot hairstyles. And yeah, easy peasy. And if you're watching, I'm gonna be posting my makeup look first, so hopefully you check that video out. And if you didn't, then you can check the button above or in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.